Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to take a look at our Oakley Meta glasses and how we could remove the lens and replace them with an aftermarket lens. Quick look. Okay, we have our overhead going. Let's take our glasses off. Take a quick look here. So we have our glasses. We could see that there's a flat side on the inner side. So that's kind of where it clips into. And what we're going to do is we're going to come from the back side and push outward on the left corner top, the right corner top. So the opposite of the flat areas. So we're going to push out this way. They're going to pop out. Let's punch in a little bit. Okay. So again, I'm going to start with the right lens and opposite of this corner. So this top corner, right? You're going to push and you don't want to hold the other side of the lens. You want to just hold the frame. So we're going to push, pop. There you go. They came right out. Try to have a little cloth on hand so I could put the lenses down. And so you kind of catch it with your hands. And they snap out pretty easy, if you're asking me. So again, other side, opposite side of the nose guard. We're going to put our fingers on the glass. We're holding the frame. And this one's a little harder. Okay, there you go. There's a snap. Did not go shooting out. Here we go. So we have them off. Let's see. So Oakley glasses without any lenses in it. How does that look? All right, so let's jump back to the overhead. Place these lenses on the side for right now. And we'll take a look at these Apex Lux lenses that we got. I'm really excited about them. They run about $30 if you get their pro polarized lenses. I do have a couple of more lenses coming and we will take a look at those as soon as they come in. All right, so let's open this nice little case that we have. We have a little, looks like we have a little pouch here. A glasses pouch, that's nice. Apex lenses. We got our two lenses, which are individually, well, no, it looks like they're wrapped in one piece of plastic, which is always nice. And then in here we have what looks like an Apex on us. Okay, so let's put that stuff on the side. Let's go back to our bigger overview here. All right, so we got one lens on one side, one lens on the other side. So we always know that the middle is the flat side on these lenses. That makes it a little easier. All right, guys, let's zoom in a little bit on the lenses itself. Take a peek here. Our Apex's Ice Blue. That's what they're calling them. Look pretty nice compared to the Oakley gold prism lenses. I must say the gold prism lenses, I was getting used to the prism golds. They do feel really clear. Again, they're Oakley prism lenses. So they're going to be really good. I'm interested to see how they compare to Apex lenses. They are prism, so they're polarized. I did feel like you can't drive with them on at night. So I am looking to get my hands on an order of the Apex lenses that are transition lenses. That might be more my style. I work long hours. I'm always coming home when it's really dark and not being able to use the glasses when they're dark. Anyhow, these ice ones are not super dark. So I'm interested to see, maybe there's a middle ground. I do have a pair of the dark blues coming and a pair of the transition lenses. So off the bat, I feel like they're thinner in my hand than the prism lenses for some reason. I don't know if you could really see that. But even looking at them, they might be like 2/3 the thickness. We'll see if that plays a part in anything. Okay, so let's dive into putting these in. So what we're going to do is, there's the crease in there, right? We're going to put that side in first and then snap it in from the opposite sides, or we'll see how this goes. But the key here is taking your lens, put in that one side, right? And I guess we're going to pinch around here and work our way to the opposite corner, right? That's the plan here. So work our way. Okay, there it goes in. So that's the first time I've done these lenses. It did take a little playing with it to get it in. Let's see how it goes getting the other side in. And this is coming from someone who has not had Meta glasses before. my first pair. So again, I'm starting with that flat corner again, as much as I can. It doesn't feel like it slides totally in there, but I think the idea is that needs to be the first corner that goes in first when it starts sliding in. And I'm doing this with you guys a lot. I'm not cutting anything out. I want you guys to see how it goes. So that corner, again, I'm trying to make sure that side is the first side in. Okay, so that one went a little better. So maybe more practice, the better. Okay, you can almost see right through them a little bit, which is kind of fine with me. I usually rock a pair of Ray-Bans titanium frame glasses for normal day to day. And I do have a pair of blue lenses like this in them. Not Apex, but the actual other ones. You know what? I'm going to move the lenses over a little bit. Give these lenses a quick wipe. I'm wiping them and I could feel them flex a little more than the Oakleys. And that probably comes down to them not being as thick as I don't think I did a total great job wiping them down. So there we go. I don't know if you can really tell how blue they are because I feel like it's looking right through. You're actually seeing behind them. If I put my hands in it, do you see that? You're actually seeing my hands behind it. All right, so the moment of truth, right? Let's put them on. Now, right off the bat, I'm not getting that green color shift that I'm getting with the orange glasses. It also feel dark, I want to say, but I don't know, close. I'm inside, but I also have studio lighting, but it feels nice. I'm moving my head back and forth, light hitting my lenses, and I'm trying to see if they messing with the view or anything like that. What do you guys think of the Apex Icy Cool lenses for the Oakley Meta glasses? Let me know down in the comments below, and we'll do some more quick swap out lenses here shortly with the dark blue lenses and transition lenses. Really interested about the transition and see how it goes. But let me know what you guys think of this style, the blue in here.